Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to migrate email from the other inbox to the focused inbox on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, and then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook.com, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the other inbox. We can select a couple of emails, and then drag and drop these conversations to the focus inbox. We can now see that those 3 emails have moved to the focus inbox. Let's go back to focused, and those emails have now been migrated. Let's go back to other. We can select a couple of emails. Let's just say 6 emails selected together, and then move to focused inbox. We can also select all the emails and then also move to the focused inbox. As you can then see, every email that was in the other inbox has now been shifted and migrated to the focused inbox, and henceforth everything in the other is empty and there's nothing left to read. Enjoy your empty inbox, and let's now focus on all the other emails. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.